Few more questions from average. The average salary of 12 officers in a factory is 3,950. 12 officers 3950 per month, and that of 12 other employees of the factories, other employees, we don't know, ex employees, 1850 per month. If the average salary of all the employees including the officers of the factory be 2150, we are taking allegation. So the difference 0, 0, 18, and the difference from here to there 300. 0 zeros, 1 and 6. See here, this ratio is the number of employees. 1 into 12 is 12. So 6 into 12 is 18. So total 6 into 12 is 72. Sorry, how I got 18 I don't know. So 72. 72 plus 12 is 84. Or we can say 1 results to 12, then 1 plus 6, 7 results to 84. Anyway, next question. In a class there are 40 boys and their average is 16. One boy aged 17 years leaves the school and another joins and their average becomes 15.95 years. What is the age of the new boy? So they are saying that in a class of 40 boys, their average is 16 years. One boy aged 17 leaves the and another joined. So now there is no change in the boys, but there is a change in average. So how much decreased? 0.05 decreased. So here 0 into 15.95 is 0, minus, it is minus into 0.05, minus 0.05 into 40, because minus from 16 it is reduced. So actually 5 8s is 5 4s is 20, but 0.05 means 5 by 100 into 40. A 0 got cancelled. 5 4s 20 by 10 is 2. So minus 2. From where? From 17 minus 2. A new student joined. So 17 minus 2. This fellow left and new person joined. New person must be 2 less than this person. So 15 years. Then next. The average weight of 29 students is 40. If the weight of teacher be included, so the average weight got increased by 300 grams, means 40.3. 300 grams is 300 by 1000. So it is converted into 0.3 kgs. Person got increased, average got increased. The weight of the teacher is 1 into 40.3 plus 0.3 into 29. So actually 29 3s is 87. So 8.7. 7 and 3. 0.7, 0.3 is 1. 40 plus 8. 48 plus 1. 49. The difference between the ages of two sisters is half the sisters. Sister 1 and sister 2. So let this be elder and this be younger. The ages of their parents, half of the ages of their parents. Parents I will take as husband and wife. Why I took husband minus wife? Because husband in Indian system or any one system, if husband's age will be more than the wife's age. The elder sister is 18 years. So 18. Their father's age was 32 years when the younger sister was born. So now she is 15. Then the father's age will be 47. So 15 plus 32 is 47. So what is their mother's age? So her sister is 15. Now this half, if it comes this side into 2, is equal to 47 minus 5. So wife is equal to, this becomes 3 into 2, 6. 47 minus 6 is 41 years. Mother's age is 41 years. The average of 5 results is 46 and that of the 4 is 45. 5 results is 46 and that of the 4 is 45. It reduced minus 1, from here also minus 1. Minus 1 into 45 minus 45, minus 1 into 5 minus 5, which gives minus 50. So minus 50 is what? left. So left person's age, minus indicates left. So 50 years. Fifth one is 50 years. Sorry, 50 results. Results will be 50. Still, the age question we solved in the before one. So I am under that. Then out of 3 members, the first is twice of the second and is half of the third. A, B, C. The first is thrice of the second and is half of the third. So let B is X. Why I assume B is X? Because compared to B, A, and A compared to C, they are saying. So B compared to second, A is twice, 2X, and this A is half of the last one. So C must be 4X. And is, okay, if the average of 3 numbers is 56, means if I add by 3, it will give 56. So what I do, I will transpose 3 to the right hand side. It becomes into 3. Find the largest number. Largest number among this will be 4x. Will be what? 7x is 56 into 3. Then 4x will be 4 by 7 into 56 into 3. So it is equal to 96. The average of 3 numbers is 42. The first is twice the second, and the second is twice the third. First is twice the second and second is twice the third. Let the third is x, 2x, 4x. Adding all this by 3 will give you 42. But by 3 I will transpose to the right hand side. It becomes into 3. Then what is the difference between the largest and the smallest? That is 3x. 7x is 42 into 3. Then 3x will be what? 3 by 7 into 42 into 3. 7176. 3 into 6 into 3, 54. The average age of 3 boys is 15. If their ages are in the ratio 3:5:7, what is the age of the youngest? Average age of 3 boys, A plus B plus C by 3 is 15. So 15 into 3, 45. 15 into 3, 45. The ratio is given 3:5:7. Age of the youngest. Youngest is that 15 parts. Age is given 45. Youngest is 3x. 9 years. 3 by 15 into 45. A, B, C, D are 5 consecutive numbers. Odd numbers. What is their average they are saying? If A consecutive numbers means B must be A plus 1, C must be A plus 2, so D must be A plus 3, E must be A plus 4. The one who understand the concept till here, they will easily say the answer A plus 2, because average of 5 consecutive numbers will be middle one. Middle one is third term. The average height of 30 girls out of 40 is 160. And that of the remaining is 156. What is the average height of the whole class? 30 people, average is 160, and 10 persons, average is 156. What is the total average they are asking? 30 plus, compared to 30 it is 20 less than, so minus 20 into 156. Sorry. This is count and this is the average. So if I consider 140 plus 1 compared to 140, it is 16 more than. 16 on how many people? 10 people. 16 into 10 whole divided by 40. 0 got cancelled. 4 4s. So 144. But the answer is not there. What is the average height of the whole class? Okay, we'll do in the normal method. Not to waste the time, we'll go in the normal method. So 30 girls average is 60. 30 girls average is 160. Then the sum becomes 4800. Of the remaining 10 girls is 156. then sum is equal to 1560. What is the average? Add these both. 0, 6, 48 plus 15, 63, whole divided by 40, because 40 people is given. 0, 0 got cancelled. 4 how many times it goes? 4 ones, 4 threes, 4 fours. Sorry, 4 ones, 23, 4 fives, 4 nines, 159. The average of 50 numbers is 38. If two numbers, namely 45 and 55, are discarded, what is the average? So 50 members average is 38. Then sum will become 50 into 38. If I remove two numbers, 45 and 55, total is 100 by, now how many numbers? 48 numbers. 50 into 38. Actually 38 is 190. So 1900 minus 1800 is 1800. 1800 by 48. 6 and 12 it go, I think. Okay, 6 300s, 6 8s. Then 475 by 2 will be 37.5. The average of 25 results is 18. That of first 12 is 14 and the last 12 is 17. First 12, last 12 means one number is missing. Out of 25 numbers, one number is missing. So first 12 average is 14 and the last 12 is 17. So it is 4 less than, minus 4 into 12, and this is 1 less than, minus 1 into 12. But what I told, one number is missing. If it is less than, make it as plus. 48 plus 12, 60 plus 18 will give 78 as the result. The average of 10 numbers is calculated as 15. It was discovered later on that while calculating the average of one number, namely 36, was wrongly read as 26. See, average of 10 numbers is given 15. One number is wrongly written as, one number namely 36 was wrongly written as, so 36 should be, but it is wrongly written as 26, means 26 should be eliminated, 36 to be added, whole divided by out of 10 numbers. Difference is 10 by 10, 15 plus 10 by 10 is 16. Out of 4 numbers, the average of first 3 is 15. A, B, C, average is 15 means sum will be 45, and that of last 3, B, C, D, is equal to 16 means 48. If I subtract this from this, D minus A is equal to 3. If the last number is 19, minus A is equal to 3, so A is equal to 16. The average of 6 observations is 12. If 7th observation 12, 7th observation, and the new average is decreased by 1. 7th observation, after coming the 7th observation, it was reduced by 1, so 11. So from here plus 1, from here minus 1. So plus 1 into 11, 11, minus 1 into 6, minus 6 will give 5. The average of 8 numbers is 21. If each of the number is multiplied by 8, find the average of the new set. When average is added, each observation is added, or each observation is subtracted, or each observation is multiplied, each observation is divided, then average also should be multiplied or added or divided. So here multiplied. So 21 into 8 is equal to 168. The average height of 40 students is 163. On a particular day, 3 students, namely A, B, C, were absent, and the average of the remaining are 37. Students was found to be 162. So 40 students, average is 163. 3 students left. So 37 absent, 162. Average got reduced by minus 1. Okay. Now we will find the total sum of the 3 students. So minus 3 into 162, 3 2 6, 3 6 18, 3 1 3 4 86, minus 1 into 40, minus 40. So it is also minus. It will be minus 526 because they are absent. Minus indicates absent. Now if A and B have equal height and the height of the C is 2 centimeters less than that of A, means A minus C, and A and B are equal, so A plus B I will write as A. So it is 2. A minus C is 2. 3A minus C. See, actually this A minus C, this must be 2. So 3A minus 2 is equal to 526. Then 3A is equal to 528. Then A is equal to 528 by 3. 3 ones, 3 sevens, 6. Next, the average age of the committee of 8 members is 40. A member aged 55 years retired and his place was taken by another member aged 39. Find the average age of the person. So 40 members, age is 55. So one person got retired and another person joined, means there is no change in the count, but the average, okay, average got reduced by, replaced by 39. Okay, so we don't know this. The average age of a member of 40 years, 8 members is 40 years. Sorry, I have wrongly taken. Eight members is 40. Then one person left and one person joined. So a member aged 55 years retired and his place was taken by an other member aged 39. Find the age of the committee. Simple thing. 40 plus 55 left and 39 came, divided by 8. So 40 minus, this difference is 11 plus 5, 16. 16 by 8 is 2. So 38. The average weight of 3 members, 3 men ABC is 84. I think we have did this question, the same question in the previous video also there.